Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. A frequently asked question that we get and a misconception that we hear all the time when dealing with termite bait stations, which the bait station is, it's a device that is placed all the way around the perimeter of your house, and when termites become active in your area, they'll feed on the bait, carry it back, and you get complete colony elimination. A lot of people's first concern is they think, well, why would I want to put a bait station at? That's just going to attract the termites. And that's not really the case. Termites exist everywhere in our area, in our region. So it's not a matter of if you're going to get them, it's when you're going to get them in all reality. And the bait stations, don't think of it as an attractant, think of it as an interception tool. So you put these all the way around the perimeter of your house. Whenever the termites are near your house and become active, the bait station will actually intercept the termites on their way to your house, therefore causing the termites to feed on this, causing the collapse of the colony when they carry it back and share it with everybody else in the colony. So maybe that kind of answers some questions. Hopefully it'll help clear up some confusion there on that. If you got any questions or need any suggestions, let us know.